Hello everybody, today we're going to apply some internal and external threads on a part. So it's pretty straightforward to do, so I'm just going to start with a quick sketch here. And I'm going to go with something common like a 0.25 inch rod. And we can go like that, create it, finish the sketch. I'm going to extrude this, just a random amount. Okay, so I have 2 inches there. And okay, now to put threads on this, all I got to do is go up to create, and then we look down and we see thread right here. Click on that. You select the face right here, as you can see, the face that you want. Now what's good about this is that once you select the face, it'll automatically come up with the type of thread, certification thread, the size. So 1/4-20 is very common, class 3A, right-handed, everything looks good there. And all I gotta do is hit OK. Now, if we pull this, right, it changes the actual size of the part that it is. So I'm just gonna go back to that 0.25 inch. Direction right-handed all the way through. And that is pretty much it. Now here I click full length. If I only want to go part way, then I could say let's offset it a certain amount, or let's only go like 0.5 inches, like that. So then let's just do that. And there you go. There is the applied thread to this. Now if I want to do an internal thread, so let's add a sketch to this. I'm just going to go bigger. Let's go to 1 inch. There we go. Extrude out. And I'm going to leave that hole there. So now if I want to apply an internal thread to that, create thread. I can zoom in on that face. There's the 1/4-20. Let's go the full length. And now I have an internal thread. So pretty easy to do on Fusion. It's kind of nice. So I hope that helped out or worked for you. And if not, ask me any questions anytime. Take care. Bye.